Let's start here. Taking a few pumps, y'all, to get to the good stuff. Okay, there we go. Hey everyone, this is Whitney. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying 2 new products from Fenty Beauty. This is kind of sad to say, but I know I'm kind of behind on this. Fenty's been out for a minute, but I'm just now kind of getting into the products and trying things. And actually, one of the things I'll be putting on my face today is this Fenty Beauty eyeliner in color Black Card. This is actually the first Fenty product I got, and I really like this eyeliner. But I have 2 new items. The Fenty Beauty, this is the Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation in color 445, as well as the, let me make sure I'm saying the right thing, the Stunna Lip Paint in color Unlocked. And I got both of these items from Boxycharm's Mega Drop sale that they had back in November. They had everything, like not a lot, but they had quite a few Fenty items in that sale, and it was really heavily discounted, like probably about like 60% off of what you would pay if you went to Sephora or to Fenty, the website. So I'm super excited to try these to kind of see how they turn out. So yeah, let's just jump into this video and start trying on some products. Just a disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I'm not a beauty guru or anything like that. I'm just a normal person who likes trying new products. So yeah. But before we get into the video, definitely comments below. I really appreciate any kind of feedback. Like this video if you like it, and if you like my content, can't talk, y'all. If you like my content, definitely subscribe so you'll be notified as soon as I put out my next video. And of course, like I've said in past videos, I have a lot of stuff lined up and super excited to share it with you all. Alright, so I'm going to start with the foundation. And if you all see me looking off to the side, it's because I am looking at my mirror over here. So that's why. So be like, why is she looking off to the side? It's because I'm trying to look in this mirror and make sure I'm doing this right. So let's start here. Taking a few pumps, y'all, to get to the good stuff. Okay, there we go. Ooh, this stuff is definitely a little on the watery side. And this is my first time trying this, so this is like my legit first reaction. Yeah, y'all, this stuff is definitely a little on the watery side. Like the pump had a lot of product on it, and it's even on my hands. So I'm gonna take my blender. Sorry if you see this little black spot on it. I don't know where that came from, but taking my blender and just blending this in. Well, actually, the color's pretty good. That's one thing, y'all, about buying makeup offline. It is hard to figure out if you got the right foundation color or not. It's a struggle for real. And actually, funny story, I bought this actually twice. The first time I bought this, I bought in another color that ended up being too light for me. And ended up having to give it to my mom because she's a little bit lighter complexion to me. But it ended up working out because she liked it. So I was like, okay, well, hopefully I can find it again in that drop shop so I can actually get the right color this time. I think this is a pretty good color for me. Pretty good color. So that is just one one coat of the foundation. I actually like it. It went on pretty smoothly. It wasn't that difficult to blend. It actually does feel pretty hydrating. So that's good. Like, it doesn't make my skin feel dry. Gives my face a nice little glow. I like that. And I didn't put any like primer or anything on before. Just because I really wanted to see what this looked like by itself. I didn't want to like augment the product in any type of way with any kind of primer. So, yeah, I'm liking this. It gives pretty good coverage. So I do like that. Yeah. I don't know, y'all. Tell me in the comment below what you think. I think the shade actually looks pretty good on me. Yeah, I told y'all it's 445, so it's like a medium deep. That's pretty much why I'm a medium deep when it comes to skin tone. So yeah. Yep, I like it. It feels really good, actually. It's very hydrating. I like that. Just like the name says, it is hydrating. So if you all are not, definitely follow me on Instagram, because there I do some product reviews as well. And a lot of times I'll use products a little bit longer and then come back and I'll try to give an update on my Instagram channel as well. But I think that's enough. Yeah, y'all, I actually really like this. It gets pretty good coverage. I like it. And my face, I feel like it gives my face a little bit of a glow. It looks hydrated. My face feels hydrated. But yeah, I like this. And I got lucked up. Like, this color is like pretty spot on to what I was hoping to get this time around. Alright, so it took me a minute to get this. Okay, so I didn't know. So it took me a minute to get the top off of this. I was like, how in the world did this come off? And I did not know what kind of applicator to expect. So it looks like this. That is the applicator. I didn't know if it's going to be like, I didn't know what the applicator was going to be like. I didn't know if it's going to be like lipstick or what. Because with this almost like a nail polish. Packaging like a nail polish, not like something for your lips. Alright, so I zoomed in the camera so y'all can really see this. I'm going to try this on. Like, this is a really weird applicator, but let's see. It is very, very pink. This is like a hot pink, y'all, or at least that's what it looks like in the mirror. Can y'all see that? Yeah, that is a very, very bold pink lip. I'm not mad at this though. Oh Lord, look, it's all in my teeth, y'all. It is all in my teeth. Ooh, so that's one thing I don't like. I don't like stuff on my teeth. Trying to get my Cupid's bow right. So there we go. I mean, I like the color. I think they did a good job with this color. If you like that very bold pink look, then you probably like this. Yeah. I don't know if this is like a color I would wear all the time. It's definitely different for me. Honestly, I don't wear a lot of really bold lip colors. I'm more of a lip gloss, lip balm type person, but this isn't bad. And it's definitely like a lip paint. As you can see, like, sun's getting on my teeth, so I'm not a huge fan of that, but it is definitely a bold color, y'all. Okay, so before I go into my last item, which is the eyeliner, I want to do some eyeshadow. So I recently got this Richie Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. I got this in my November Beam box, if y'all seen that video. Really like the colors here, so kind of excited to try these out. Disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist by any way. Definitely a beginner, but gonna try and put some eyeshadow on before moving to the eyeliner. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Might be a bit much, that color, but hey, it is what it is. I told y'all I'm not a professional makeup artist, so that's what it is. But just to put a little eyeshadow on so you all can kind of get the feel for a more of a finished look when I put this eyeliner on. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Sorry about that. So apparently I have to be right up on my mirror in order to put eyeliner on. So it's probably going to be a while before I'm actually on camera putting eyeliner on, because I don't want to be looking too crazy. But that's why I zoomed in. Can y'all see that? So I just put on Rihanna's eyeliner in the color Black Card. And it has a nice little shimmer to it. I really like that because I don't know every beauty product out there, every eyeliner, but this is like the only eyeliner that I've seen had the actual sparkles in there, and I like this one. Something to note is that this eyeliner was caking up when it mixed with the Laritzy eyeshadow. I don't know, it was just caking up, so it was kind of hard for me to apply, and it usually doesn't happen. I'll blame it on this eyeshadow. Maybe it just, Rihanna does not like Laritzy. So there we go. Also, if you want to know, threw on some Maybelline Colosso Big Shot mascara on my eyelashes just to give some volume and to finish out the entire look. Lipstick still looking good. Foundation still looking good, yeah. So, my final thoughts on we'll start with this, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I really like this foundation. I think it made my skin have a glow. It is very hydrating, and the color I got is really spot on. I really like it. The only thing I don't like is that this product is a little on the runny side. Like literally the applicator tip had product all on it, and even there's like a little crack between the applicator and the rest of the bottle, and even went into there. So this is runny, so just beware. But other than that, I really like this foundation. I have to come back later on Instagram and kind of give you like a full product review of how long this lasts on my face, and if I feel like I need to reapply throughout the day. So I'll come back with that later on. The Fenty, the Stunna lip paint. I like this. And like I said, this is a color that I wouldn't wear. It's a lot. Like it's a Barbie pink to me. But, you know, on the scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it like a 6. And I'd wear it every once in a while when I want to like switch it up and be a little different. I don't like that it kind of gets on my teeth. So that's the one negative. I don't like that. But other than that, like, I'd give it like a 6. I'd give the Longwear foundation probably like an 8. And then this like a 6. And then, like I said, I've already been having this for a while. But on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this probably like the Rihanna eyeliner about an 8 as well. Alright, y'all, so that's another video wrapping up. Once again, leave a comment down below. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe. I would love to have you join my channel so you can keep up with all of my newest videos. As soon as they come out, you'll be notified. And definitely check out some of my other videos. I'll put a card up here above so you can check out some of my other videos. Awesome. So until next time, thanks for watching my video. Bye.